Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your assembly and selecting the Motion Study tab. This activates the timeline and motion tools. Choose the study type: animation for visuals, basic motion for simple kinematics, or motion analysis for forces, because each uses different solvers. Then set units and frame rate, like 30 FPS, so timing is consistent. Once done, insert components into the timeline and lock mates you won't animate. This prevents unexpected motion and gives you a stable baseline to build your first keyframes. Now you create motion. Scrub the timeline, move parts, and Solidworks will record keyframes automatically. That gives you control of position over time. Add motors or apply forces, choose rotary for shafts or linear for sliders, and set magnitude and direction so motion matches real loads. Use mates and contact sets to constrain degrees of freedom and enable collision detection when parts interact. This ensures the sequence reacts realistically. Make sure to run a short playback to validate timing and relative movement before refining curves. To finish, refine motion by editing keyframe interpolation and adjusting graph curves for smooth acceleration and stopping. This improves realism. Once satisfied, export the motion as an MP4 or save kinematic data for external analysis. If simulation diverges or jitter occurs, check the solver settings, reduce time step size, and temporarily suppress mates that overconstrain the system. If parts penetrate, enable finer collision resolution. These steps resolve most issues and make sure your final motion study behaves predictably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.